Alright, hello everyone. So Stock Master back at it here again. Today I'll be recording on my phone and I just want to talk about a red day, okay? So today was red all across my board, as you can see. And before I go into details on this topic, I just want to say that invest at your own risk. I'm not a professional. It's all speculation, it's all my opinion, and take the good, leave the bad, okay? So first of all, on the red day like this, right? For me, it's discount shopping. I believe that I could shop, buy the stocks I want, and get into the price entry that I wanted to, right? So cost average, down cost average. You know, the price I had before, lower that price for my overall stocks. So this is my watch list, right? So I'm being transparent. So I'm going to show my watch list. So every day I go in, I watch these stocks. American Airlines, well, my travel stock, right? Apple on my high growth stock. So today they were red, and even the aftermarket they're dropping. As you can see on the right side, it says after. So right now we're in the aftermarket. Amazon, it's just something I watch. I don't really invest in Amazon. And at the same time, Apex, right? So they have their merger coming up, but they're dropping really bad. And $14 is a good price of entry. I myself got a couple more hundred shares sitting at $14. Baba, they have the thing going on right now, and they're still dropping, even though they climbed back up. They rebounded last week, but they're dropping again. So it's a red day for Baba and all the other stock that I mentioned. And of course, BNGO, right? If you watch my previous video on my stock alert, I got it at $5 and it jumped. But if you look at it after hours, it started down 10%. So hopefully you took profit like I did, or you held it until tomorrow. See how tomorrow goes. But that's all on your based on your judgment. And of course, Delta Airline, another one that I watch, and then I like watching the DJI. See, they dropped. They did drop today. That's why a lot of today the DJI, the Nasdaq, they all dropped. FeeCell, another one that I'm watching with my EV place, and aftermarket it jumped up 1%. So if you go down, Helion, right? So another one I'm watching. I believe this is a long-term play for me. And I have a lot of reasons to that. If you guys want to see a video on that, leave it in the comment section. I'll definitely talk about that. And then Intel, you guys already seen my previous video. I believe Intel has a big upside and it's been going up. But today, obviously, it dropped back down a little. So after hours, nothing's happening in the after hours for Intel. But just wait. Look, go watch my video if you haven't seen it. I'll leave in the link at the end of the video, okay? And then, of course, the NASDAQ. My other travel play. And then my retail play. I have a few retail play that's not all on my Weibo account. I usually use my other watch list on my Charles Schwab. So Macy's my other play. I'm in it for a while. My price target is 25, and then I'm out. So we'll see how Macy goes. I believe that they will come back once the market, the retail, let's call it retail, starts opening back up, right? So that's probably in a month or 2, 3 months. It's a long-term play. I'm getting it early so I could get the most profit. Envis, another penny stock. Well, it was a penny stock, but it's sitting around $5 right now. I got in early. I'm watching it daily. It's dropping right now, but someone's gonna buy out eventually, and that's when I'll profit from my money. Nikola, they have a lot of bad reputation right now. So, but today they actually went up. So the thing with Nikola is that they have bad reputation, but they have a lot of money that they could use to work on the reputation and get credibility, right? Again, with their customers. So hopefully they come with a real product this time, something that's actually working and something that they take their time basically to create their product. And by doing so, it'll help out their company and the stock price. So I'm buying it on the dip, been buying on the dip, and I believe that eventually will shoot up. So long-term play. And then DM, today price dropped. I lowered it up again. Try to cost average down. I believe that this is a big play for the future. It's gonna merge with something, or someone's gonna buy it. We don't know yet, but it's all speculation. I believe that it's gonna blow up eventually. And then PFE, that was my vaccine play. I don't really look at it anymore. I just leave it on here just in case it shoots up, shoots down. See how it goes. Tesla, I had a few Tesla stock, but I once it hit the 700s, I sold everything and I redistributed my money into different stocks that I believe that have high growth for 2021. I have a few Tesla stock left, but it's just sitting there for long-term hold. And Tesla is crazy, really volatile, up and down every day. So definitely look into Tesla. If you don't know about Tesla, if you're into stock, you heard about Tesla, you know about Tesla. Very. Here's another stock that I got in from my IPO play. It IPO a while back, and I have a lot of stuff about this stock right here. Right now they're in the quiet area, so they can't have no news release, and eventually they will, and that's when the stock will shoot up again. So that's kind of why I'm watching it closely. WBA, my other retail stock play, and vaccine play. So this goes with Pfizer. It's called Moderna. So the reason is because Walgreens is it's called distributing vaccine. And of course, down here are my other plays that I look at: XFE, WFC, my bank play, my comeback play, and then ExxonMobil. So this is just a short list of what I watch daily. I invest into these stocks daily when it's red. So let's go to market, right? So let's look at the market really fast today. Like I said, the market dropped 1.25% for Dow Jones. The S&P 500 dropped 1.48%, and the Nasdaq dropped 1.47%. And that inflow is dropping, which is good for the market. It needs a correction, or it needs a dip, and then it will shoot back up. Okay, so the thing about the market is that a lot of people think that it's going to shoot up growing forever. That's not how it works. It goes up, it comes down. It has to come down for it to go up. It can't keep going up straight up, and you can't expect it to be growing every day. That's what I tell all my friends, all my peers, all my coworkers that I work with. They keep thinking that, oh, I'm losing money. No, it's just a small dip and then back up if you believe in the company and if it's a good company that you're investing in. So after hour gainers. So what I do is after hours I come and I look here and I look at the after hours, right? I was like, which one's gaining the most momentum after hours? And Chegg was one that was on my list yesterday, actually, when I was gonna make my video about BNGO, but I ended up focusing on BNGO because I believe it had a bigger upside, and it did. See, as you can see, pre-market 70%. Chegg was right there. As we go one day, Chegg is actually the top here for the whole day, but I want BNGO, okay? And Jags was a big thing that was being talked about too. So, a top loser after hours. So I look at the top losers too because I want to see which one's dropping the most. So tomorrow morning I could get in. So right now BNGO is dropping a little, $6 right now. See that? The whole day. QuantumScape, GNW. So what I do is I look at this, right, and I see the reds and I go do my DD. I'm like, this stock I believe will rise still, and I invest in the stock the next day, or I monitor the stock the next day, add it to my watch list, and then remove it if I don't like it. And of course, the most active, right? Today, the most active was BNGO, 573 million, just like I said last night. If you haven't seen that video yet, go watch it. It should be in my videos, the most recent one, before this one. Alright, so, global. So that's what I do. I usually come in here and look around to see how the world's doing. Everything's green except for these three right here. And that's what I do. So on a red day, right? My quick suggestions on red days, I look at it as if it's a discount day. It's like discount shopping, right? Like Black Friday. On Black Friday, I go shopping. I'm like, I want to get this. Let me look online and see what the original price is. Oh, it's 10% off, 5% off. Okay, I'm gonna get it. That's what I do with my stocks. I look at the past and where it was at a few days ago or a week or a month ago, and I'm like, this price is a discount price because I believe in this company. So I do my DD, right? So that's kind of what I do, and I hope that you have the same mentality, or start learning that methodology, implement into your stock investment. And of course, like I said, I'm not a professional. It's all speculation. So invest at your own risk. Subscribe, like, and share, and have a great day.